In this video, we are going to discuss how we can do keyword research using ChatGPT. So I've already given this prompt, give me 30 semantically relevant topics under the main category of yoga. And all the topics should be unique. Semantically relevant topics. This is the important keyword when we are when we are doing this keyword research. Okay, because semantic keywords are the keywords which are closely related to each other. Okay. So that's the reason all these topics are closely related to the main topic of yoga. Now we have come up, we have got 30 different topics which are very related to each other, and this is going to help us create the topical authority. In some other video, I will talk about topical authority also. Let's take one of this particular topic and further dig down to come up with more topics, right? These are not basically something on which we can create article. We need to go a little bit down, and come up with more keywords or the topics. I have saved this particular prompt and I'll just enter. So give me 15 different variations of yoga for beginners that address a different search intent. There should not be an overlapping or duplicacy. So that's the reason we have used this word different search intent. These are all addressing different search intent. Yoga Nidra, deep and deep relaxation is something different. Gentle introduction to basic poses. Building strength and flexibility, stress relief and relaxation. All these are different topics. You can come up with more topics, okay? Like it's just 15. So suppose if you want 15 more, you can you can find out 15 more topics, and then you can create a concise list. So by this method, you can come up with 900 to 1000 topics, which is really not possible to publish initially, right? So you have to strike down to a lot of content which is not relevant or which you don't want to focus right now. You can focus initially on 100 to 200 blogs when you're just going to create a topical map on a particular topic. And here you got some 30 topics. So that's the easiest way to come up with topics which are related to each other and which can create topical map. In the next video, we will further learn how to create content outline, how we can create content, how we can create SEO optimized content. Okay, so stay tuned to learn further.